Hi, good evening. Welcome to WealthMills Securities Weekly Market Wrap. The week we concluded was a good week in terms of the market performance is concerned. We witnessed a rebound rally in the market, especially in large cap and also some mid and small caps also. The earnings season of the markets are concerned with respect to the Q2 results of the market is concerned. The anticipation from the market was there are the expectations are very low from the earnings season of the market is concerned. In Q2, if we see the large cap stock earnings are concerned, last week we had TCS, which was the results were moderate. Infosys are good and it is way above the market expectation. That this is with respect to the technology stocks. We are going to witness many company results in the days to come, but this week we observed the results from small cap banks like Federal Bank, South Indian Bank. These are the small cap banks with a market capitalization less than 30,000 crores. Both banks are located in the geographies predominantly in South, which are Kerala based banks. The results are way above the expectation. The NPL level is moderated and the business momentum is nice, and the earnings of the company is also very good. So it gives an indication that the banks, the banks and financial institutions are planned their strategy for the downtrend, which was Q2 was one of the downtrend levels for the economy is a concern. This is one thing we need to keep in mind, and we are waiting for the results of Reliance Industries this week, and many companies are going to post their results in the days to come. We need to discuss about HUL also. HUL results are way above the expectation, but one thing we found is in terms of the rural market is concerned, rural market, the sales are at 7 years low. So we need to wait and watch how the things that are going to pan out in the days to come. Probably it might be the bottom, or it may further come down. One thing for the last quarter where market was worried about and everybody talks about the monsoon. Monsoon was a pretty good monsoon in India. So we need to wait and watch how far the results, how far the productivity of the economy will go up in the days to come. It is completely premature to say. In terms of the monsoon and the level of water in the dams is concerned, this is one of the best year in last 5 years in terms of the water level of the dams are concerned. So why I'm talking about is because we need to recognize that one of the key market for Indian economy is the rural markets. The auto sales are right now happening in rural areas. The two-wheeler sales are coming from rural areas. For TVS Motors, which declared the results yesterday, the two-wheeler industry, they have done a pretty good, and their margins are went up and sales also went up, which is from rural area. So we need to have a watch over all these parameter to have a understanding about the economy. While coming to the point with respect to the earnings of the companies, we are carefully watching each and every parameter, and on a regular basis we will be sharing about the earning performances of the companies are concerned. We will be waiting for results of Maruti in the next week. We'll be waiting for the results of Piramal Enterprises scheduled on Monday. Monday Indian markets are closed due to the Vidhan Sabha elections in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So Indian markets are closed for Monday. So there will not be any stock markets opened Monday. What we are going to focus is, last week I discussed about the company. A good company in a crisis time is a good investment opportunity. For example, the Pyramid Enterprises last week was around 1300 rupees, and there was a lot of negativity around the stock. There was a fear was mongering around this stock. Now today, as the dark clouds get cleared with this stock, the stock was rallied nearly 300 rupees today from 1300. Now it reached a level of 1550. So when a quality stocks comes down, okay, my request to investors is try to buy in a staggered manner and try to buy at every dip. This is one of the trait every investor need to habituate to create wealth in markets. And also, as we are nearer to the Diwali season is concerned, you come across every analyst, every company sharing about the Diwali picks to buy new stocks during the Diwali season. As a practice at WealthMills Securities, as most of our investors are much aware, we don't share any Diwali picks with our investors. The reason is because of Diwali. Always don't buy a new stock. Analyze your portfolio and try to buy a stock which is there in your portfolio, and try to accumulate those stocks, create wealth. So just go back to your portfolio, check the stock which have the high fundamentals in your portfolio. Try to buy that stock in your portfolio. Try to accumulate that stock in your portfolio. Don't overcrowd your portfolio with so many stocks. So please try to buy a stock which came down and which have the good fundamentals in your portfolio, and try to that stock in your portfolio. This is from me, signing off. Thank you.